Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So quick little disclaimer. Now I'm not wearing any gloves or anything because this gloss isn't going to be for sale for anybody. This is just a trial run basis. So if you are doing this gloss or you're following what I'm doing, make sure that everything around you is sanitary and you are wearing gloves because this is going to go to people's mouth and everything. So like I said, this gloss is going to be for me. I'm just doing a trial run basis with the colors. So yeah, so back to the video. Alright y'all, so I'm pretty sure most of this is very self-explanatory and you guys probably clicked on this video just so you guys can see how the color turns out. So I'm just gonna let this video play out. As you all know, the procedure, whatever, this consists of a lot of mixing and everything, so be mindful of that in this video. But yeah, but if you guys want to skip to the end to where you see I add the color, I'll see if I could add the timestamp or anything, but just continue watching. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys the oils that I use. You guys don't necessarily have to use all these oils that I'm showing you guys right now. I have seen people use more or less, and I also seen them use avocado oil or jamba oil. So you guys don't necessarily have to use this exact type of oil. You could use whichever one you would prefer. Now the color that I'm going to be showing you guys in a few is this red powder. I'm not sure if I really like it or not, so this is why I was doing a little trial run on it, so you guys can see the turnout of it. So like I said, this does consist a lot of mixing and everything, and mixing and adding. I mainly eyeball it. I don't measure because I'm kind of good at eyeballing to see, like, because I know what consistency I'm looking for. But basically you just eye it out and pour it. And now as you guys can see, when I'm adding in the powder in a few minutes in the video, you guys are going to see that I added a little bit too much. So I would prefer, if you, when you are adding this color, because it's very pigmented, make sure that you guys use some type of little, like, back of a spoon or something, and put it in gradually, not just pour it in like I did basically. Now this is the color I got. It was very pigmented, but then again, like I said, I did add a lot of powder in it. But all in all, I somewhat like, but didn't really like the color. I would probably try this again, but instead with the liquid, but instead of the powder, because I don't necessarily like the powders anymore. But overall, it's a pretty nice color. Like, if you guys want to sell this for Valentine's Day, that's coming up in a few days. So yeah, and the color, well, the flavor that I'm adding right now is strawberry, just to add some type of, like, flavor to it. Like I said, this is for me, so I just wanted it to smell good. But overall, I did somewhat like this color, but I'm not sure if I am gonna be putting it up so I can tell. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to be showing you guys how it looks at the end on the lips, so make sure you guys stay tuned for this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.